Hello, everybody. It's Bob Anderson, and today is July 22nd, 2025. And it is 10:33, and I'm done. Not only am I done, technically, I'm done for the week. It's Tuesday. I would have been done for the week yesterday with a trade that I took. I videotaped it. It's after this. I'm going to include it in this video. But I mean, I had to close the trade out so I can go because I had to leave. I had to go to work and set a house, and so I jumped out of a big time winning trade to just get my money back because I had a couple small losses. Again, losses small, wins big. And so I was down like 150, 170 bucks. I don't remember, it was yesterday, but I just got my money back in an NQ. Matter of fact, it was the NQ that took the money from me. Now I think about it. I think the video shows you the two losses and then the win. I think the video actually shows that. Anyways, I don't remember, it was yesterday. Today, I saw that gold was just like ching, taking off and moving and doing things. And I took a couple trades in gold. And I mean, God, I should have hammered it for more than I did. Dang, I should have hammered gold for more than I did. And I'm not talking about more contracts. I just should have been more confident in what the pattern was. I completely missed a beautiful crossover retest of the PriorDay high. I mean, PriorDay high, come on, man. Crossover retest long. I missed that. An easy, because it was going up through the current day highs. I would have probably just used my target, which would have been 400 bucks. Anyways, so I started messing around with the equity markets after they opened and kind of got dinged around a little bit, a little bit of money here, a little loss there type stuff. And then all of a sudden I look back over at gold and down gold was going for a retest of the prior day high and a 5-minute red line. And I mean, I'm talking about a beautiful 5-minute red line. And I went for 99 ticks. Yeah, I front run it by I was so enamored with my stop and seeing it moving up that I just never grabbed my target and put it. All I had to do is move it up one tick, and it'd been $1,000. But it's okay. It's okay. I mean, I had room to move it up. I could have moved it up probably about another 10 from there to the actual daily high, which is where I was playing that trade to. But anyways, I videotaped that whole thing live, and that's the biggest single tick trade that I've made on this YouTube channel live and booked profit on. And I want to read something to you from a subscriber who emailed me 5 days ago, July 17th, in the afternoon. So I'm assuming he's talking about the July 17th trading. But he took at least 3 gold trades, and he did one on the overnight open. He did one off the 5-minute red line, and he did one off of the 1-minute gold line. So he did all 3 basic trades that I teach. And he did it with 2 accounts. And he took pictures of the trades and sent them to me and showed me he was actually in the trades when he took the pictures. And he made $6,383.74 trading all 3 of the trades I talk about. Anyways, $6,383.74 with live money. This isn't prop firm garbage. This is live money. And anyways, he messaged me, wow, gold is on fire. This is the most amazing day of my trading career. And who would have thought it would be in gold? Exactly. You got to look for the one that's moving. Look for the market that's creating opportunities. This gentleman normally trades the NQ. And I've got him to understand to stay out of consolidation. So if the NQ's, not agreeing with the other two markets and it's not really in fresh space, it's not moving north and south, you got to stay away from it, man. You're going to get punched in the face. So he flips over, starts watching gold because I've been talking about gold lately. And if you look at gold, there are days that gold is just dead. Okay. But there are days that gold is just fire. Today, I had my biggest single trade on this YouTube channel, and it was in gold. But I'm still I'm still upset with myself because I should have made more money. And it's not from the one trade I did make the money, and it was because I didn't trust my own trade. I should have made more money in gold. Should have made more money. Anyways, I got videos linked below. But one of the things I want to talk about just quickly, and I don't remember if I videoed this part or not. I don't really remember. But I do know that this happened in the last 2 days to me, where you're kind of caught between like maybe two lines, like the overnight open and the prior day close, let's just say. And I had a situation like this. So you had so say here's your two lines. Okay. So let's just say this is your overnight open, and let's just say this is your prior day close. Okay. And let's say the market's coming from the top and it's coming down, because I think this is the exact scenario. I want to bring this up because I just want to kind of point out some of the idiosyncrasies of things that you should be paying attention to, and you should recognize that are algo related tricks that when they show you the trick, you can get more confident in the fact that you know what they're doing. And so it's kind of like playing cards, and the guy you're playing cards against, you're playing poker, and the guy you're playing cards against, you happen to notice there's a Coors Light mirror behind him, and you happen to look up and you're like, oh, I can see his cards. Now you know what you're playing against. That's what I'm talking about. There's certain tricks that the algos do sometimes to confuse traders what direction they're going to go when they're really going another direction. Okay, and when they do the trick and then reverse that trick, you can be even more confident when you get in to hold that thing for profit. Okay, so this is exactly one of the ones that happened recently, and I profited from it. Okay, so let's just say you had your candles coming in, screaming in from the top. And the question is, like, for example, in this case, are they testing the overnight open? Are they testing the prior day close? Are they going long? Or once they go below the overnight open and they're on the prior day close and they go back up a little bit, are they going for a short off the overnight open down? This is the scenario that exactly happened to me. So what that would have meant is this candle here would have opened and closed underneath the overnight open. So let's just to make this simple, I'm going to put ONO and prior day close. Okay. So the question is, when price goes back up here, let's just say, are they going to go this way because it's a crossover retest short, or are they going to go that way? Okay. So that's kind of what you're looking at as your potential scenario. All right. So, what are they going to do? Because now, your overnight open is resistance potentially. So let's just look at this. So what happened to me was this. So this candle does this, and then the next candle opens, and it's an inside candle. You see that? So that means the high and the low and the wick and all is inside this bar to the left. Okay. Now I really like inside candles because a lot of times there's tricks played at the inside candle that'll again, like looking up and seeing in the mirror of the Coors Light banner, hey, that guy's got two aces because he's holding his hand and it's reflecting in the mirror. Okay. So the scenario that happened, I don't have it all exactly correct, but I've just, again, these are things to have in the back of your head. So what ended up happening is now I got an inside candle. Okay. So I'm pretty excited about a potential long here. Okay. But I'm not so sure because I got the overnight open right above me. All right. Well, what happened on the next candle is it opened. Okay. And it went down. Well, it didn't close yet, but let's just say, okay. But it went down and it broke the bottom of that candle to the left. Okay. But you're coming from way up there and you're like, you kind of think to yourself, we're probably going back because we've come down so far and it's been in such a straight line. Well, when they popped the bottom of this candle to the left, that was the inside bar, you can see it happening. It all of a sudden reverses itself. So what they were doing is they were trying to get the people looking for that short to jump in. And once they got them to jump in, they went the other way. Now they got the momentum to go along. And then you got the people who took that short playing these lines. They got them trapped. And that accelerates this movement back to the other way through that overnight open. So when I say I like inside bars, if pattern wise I'm seeing a long, but I get an inside bar and then the next bar comes and it breaks the bottom of that candle, that inside bar to the left, and then it starts rotating, you watch, you'll see it accelerating even faster because they got them trapped. They had them leaning this way. You can see things like that on the 5-minute red line sometimes. You can see that stuff on these lines sometimes where they're just, they get that inside bar and then, okay, we're going to fake that we're going short. So if you watch candle by candle action and you see this inside candle, for example, and you see the candle to the right, break it to the bottom and then start going back through the top of that candle, that's your Christmas present. That's your sign that, oh no, this thing is going that way and you're on the right side of the gravy train. Okay? I hope I kind of make that clear. Anyways, I see this happen, a few times a week where you're in that indecision area. Like, are we going short or are we going long? I don't really know. Like, are we going to go south of that line or are we going to go north of that line? And then all of a sudden I get Merry Christmas present because I get an inside bar. And then I get the next candle popping one side of that inside bar and then accelerating its way through that inside bar, in our new candle back out the other side. And that's acceleration on top of acceleration, because you have the algos going long, for example, in that case, and you got the traders they trapped going short, buying their way out of their loss. Okay. Anyways, here's some video clips. This is going to be a long. It's going to be a long video. I'm sorry about that, but if I'm going to tape some of this stuff and put it out there, you guys, some of it's going to be long. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. All right, so we've just opened. We're about 10 minutes into the open, and I'm just kind of looking at the charts. And I'm seeing that maybe the RTY might give me crossover retest of the gold, for a 1 minute gold line trade, and possibly a prior day open trade also at the same time. I am looking at the ES, which is starting to head long at the same time. So I'm just going to see if maybe I can possibly catch this thing long. What do we got? Ooh, that's nice. Yeah, we might. Okay. Let's see if we can get something real here. All right. So see, we had a crossover. See here, you had your reset of your gold line. Donchian high, smooth pullback, yada, yada, yada. We happen to also be sitting on the prior day open at the same time. I really want this thing to just sit there. Just sit there. I don't want that candle to get too big of a tail. But it looks like it's gonna. Damn it. Don't run away on me yet. Okay. Yeah, don't run away on me yet. Don't run away on me yet. Please. Don't run away on me yet. Come on, wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we got the order on. Okay. We're in. Come on. Excuse me. Come on. Come on, RTY. Come on, baby. Come on. There you go. Come on. Let's run. Oh, there you go. All right. Come on, baby. Come on, ES. I need you going up too. It's trying. It's trying. It's going off the current open. It's trying to go long. Really could use the ES to agree with this. Come on. Go ES. Come on. No. No. Shoot. I need to put that you gonna roll over on me? God dang it, you are. Yeah, that was stupid. Just stupid. Stupid, stupid, stupid. I tried something big on that one. I was going to take that target and move it way up. Oh my gosh. You really annoy me today. The big pain in the butt right now is the is NQ, because NQ is going down, even though ES is rotating its way long, and obviously the RTY is rotating its way long. The ES is, I mean, the NQ is just not cooperating. I would really like this to go down to here now. Well, this is ugly. This is ugly. Come on. Go down. Come on, go down. Go down, RTY. Come on, go down. Go down. There you go. Keep going. Come on, go down with authority. With authority, please. Mm. Man, I have been busy working lately. It's just Jesus. Which is good, because business got slow there for a while. Now I'm starting to address some quite a few new projects. Unfortunately, like every project I'm working on right now is that I'm getting ready to work on. I got houses I'm building right now, but that this isn't the case. But these future houses I'm getting ready to work on, like every one of them has just elaborate stuff. I've got one, I got to put 12 feet in the air on pylons. I've got another one, I got to figure out how to drag it up a mountain to get it on a foundation. I just got some crazy stuff that I got to deal with on a lot of these future projects. Okay, sit for me. Sit for me. Come on, sit for me. Come on, RTY, sit for me. Sit. Just sit. Just sit. Just sit, please. Sit for me. Oh, man. I just saw the NQ just bounced off the PriorDay Open. That might be the energy I need for this thing to go long. Is that the NQ is sitting on the PriorDay Open. Um, well, holy cow. Let me get a look at this. What is going on here? Oh no. Huh. Shoot, man. There might be a trade here in the NQ. I've got to address here. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles in a row. Okay, hold on here. I might have a trade I got to take here in the NQ. Yep. I might have a trade here I've got to take in the NQ. I'm going to get ready and all right. We are looking at this. I got to move this up here. All right, hold on. I think the market is seeking a place to pivot from. They did this yesterday, by the way, this exact thing after the open. They went down, 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 seeking a place to rotate from. And when NQ found that place, it was like poof, off it went from the lows, screaming across to the highs. Let's see here. Where is it? Yep, right here. This. And that was off the prior day open. See that? It just screamed. After it found this was out of the open, or right prior to the open, and then gone. So I'm kind of looking at this thinking, well, maybe they're doing the same thing again today. So let me stop this, because now we're at the prior day low. And this thing has gone from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles in a row. We just got to pierce that. 6 candles in a row. The ES has done the same thing into the prior day open. And prior day open. And RTY, I don't know if it has anything that it's looking for. It's kind of far away from anything right now. So let me just see if I can find something here. Let me just see if I can find something here. It's nice. The ES and the ES. Sorry. Yeah, the ES and the NQ. Wow. Okay, hold on. Hold on. This is getting ugly. This is starting to get ugly. But I'm going to tell you, if it rotates right here, man, it's going to be gone. Look at all these candles in a row here. And we got a lot of room from here to the 9 EMA. I mean, there is a lot of room. That is over 20 points. Man, what the heck? Okay. This is the prior day low, so there's nothing below us. We're at the current day low and the prior day low. So there's nothing below us. Now, what I will show you, let me drag this over here just for views again. I'm trying to drag these things around and show you guys what I'm looking at. But you got right here in the ES, we have just hit the prior day low. So that could be a rotation point if we're waiting on the ES to finally, because this is the big dog right here. This is the one that moves the markets more than this. If this is finding its point of rotation, and then it swings back, and I mean, look at that move. This right here will just migrate with it. Look at this. Down, boom, prior day close. There you are. Let me look at this. Jesus. Wow. We are just, this is so funny. This is literally, I mean, let's remember the chart I showed you earlier on the, look at the same situation the other way around from yesterday. Look at that. I mean, if you don't think that the market is manipulated, then you're just not paying attention. So this was yesterday after the market opened. And here's today after the market opened. I mean, come on, man. It's all a game. And so, you either find the pullbacks that give you the 1 minute goal line type trades, which one did not happen here, or you find the lines that they're looking to rotate from, and there's your trades. That's because my whole strategy is to find the places that the sharks have lined up their money and to jump on the train. Let's go back over to the RTY for a second. See if maybe there's some lines that it has that it's reaching. Let's see here. No, it blew through the prior day low also. Yep, see, there's the prior day low, and now it's at the current day low. So there's no lines. There's no lines below that. Once you hit the prior day low and the current day low, you're done. There's no lines. Wow. Well. Which both of these, yesterday's open is the absolute opposite of today's open. Except I made money off of yesterday's open. I made money in the NQ off that, off it rotating long, not rotating short. I did. All right, so let's just Jesus. Okay, so we had let's look at a few things here. We had a crossover. Okay, we're seeking possibly a retest right here. And also it would be in conjunction, hopefully, with a prior day low, where we can get a push, and then another push. So north and south again. Remember, we're looking for north and south. Oh boy. Man. Well. Just another day in paradise today. Man, oh man, alive. Which one we're watching? Okay, yeah, I'm trying to see what screen I'm recording. I'm recording the RTY screen, I think. Yeah. All right. Possibilities here. We got some possibilities setting up. Some possibilities. Okay, here we go. Got some possibilities. Personally, I think this is going to go back up. Again, read the chart, not the bias, but I say that because this ES really flushed over here. Look at that. I mean, it just zing. I mean, and for those of you that know the ES, I mean, that is some vicious moves in the ES. It's going to be pretty hard. It's going to be pretty hard to rotate it back down after those big flushes both ways. But right now, my chart says short. So I'm going to look for shorts as soon as this candle closes. As soon as this candle closes right here, I'm going to be looking for a short. Damn it. I didn't want that candle to get this big. Damn it. Now, I'm not liking this candle. That candle was way too big. Damn it. Come on, RTY. Come on. Don't snap me. Let's go. Come on, RTY. Come on. Paying for that big candle, buddy. Paying for that big candle. I should have walked away from this trade. Come on. There you go. All right. There you go. Jesus. All right, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. There you go. You can do it. All three are doing the same thing. Don't start pivoting back up. Let's go. Don't start pivoting back up. Follow through. Come on. Come on. Sellers, sellers, sellers. There we go. Come on. Push, push down, push down, push down. I am looking at all three markets at the same time. NQ is pushing. Come on. It's pushing. They're pushing down, but they're just not getting there. Is this going to start its footprint for the reversal? Please don't start that now. Oh, God, you are pissing me off. Come on, RTY. Come on. You are. All that money just got pissed away. Yep, all that money just got pissed away. What? Yeah, there we go. Yep, all that money I had just got pissed away. Unbelievable. All that money just got pissed away. Shoot. All that money just got pissed away. Pissed away. Pissed away. Pissed away. Oh. Funny part is the ES started rolling back down again. It's getting ready to go through the current day low. So is the NQ. The one who didn't follow suit is the RTY. Of course. You know why that is? Because the RTY was the one I was in. For those of you that don't know, it's always the trade that I'm in that doesn't work. If I wasn't in that one, by golly. All right. I am looking at something right now that might give me all my money back and then some. Over here in gold, we had a rejection of the prior day high. Oh my God. And it could be a red line trade too at the same time, because that is a smooth pullback right there. And gold's been open for quite a while. So the red line is in play. The problem is I got to give it room if I get in, but there's that's $1,000 move right here. From here to here is $1,000 move. $1,000 move. So let's just see if we can find an entry here. All right, so there we are. We are in. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to do this $1,000 move. I'm going to try to get this thing back up into here. Come on, gold. Come on. You got it. You got it. You do. You've got this. Come on, gold. This is a $1,000 move right here. If I can get this, I'm pretty sure. 22, 32. Yeah, 32 would be $1,000. Now I'm gonna give it some room because of the amount of money we're talking about here. But we really rotated beautifully for a 5-minute red line and a test of the prior day high, which would hopefully rotate to the current high. Come on, gold. Come on. Don't get squirrely on me. That's all right. That's all right. I'm okay with this. Come on. Don't do that to me. Come on. Oh my God, you're going to knock me out? Come on. Come on. Come on. We're talking about $1,000 here. Talking about $1,000 here. This is freaking getting a little ugly here. Now I'm giving it room I didn't want to give it. Come on. Come on. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this. Stop texting me, people. Okay, it's that hammer candle is gorgeous. That is a gorgeous sign right there. All right, so now I've got my pivot for my stop for now. Come on, gold. Okay, come on, gold. Come on. Blow through this. Blow through this 9. There you go. Come on, gold. There you go. Come on. Come on, gold. Come on. You've got this. Oh boy. Come on, gold. You've got this. Seriously, you've got this. You've got this. Oh, it's not going to get there in time for me to. Come on. Come on, gold. Come on. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Come on. Oh, yikes. That was ugly. Well, we know this 9 EMA is going to be a problem. We know that. We have just got to battle our way through it. Oh my God, are you going to come back and do this again? Don't give me a W pattern right now. Man. Come on. We know. Do another hammer candle right here. Do another hammer candle so I can move my stop up. Do another one. Do another one. Come on. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. This is ridiculous. Come on. Don't do that. Another hammer candle. Come on. Come on. Another big candle. There you go. There you go. Let's go. Pivot. Rotate that spot. Rotate that spot. Come on. Rotate that spot. There you go. Rotate it. Rotate it. You got it. Oh my God. Oh, you have got to be kidding me. Come on, gold. I mean, it's screaming obvious that this thing's going to go long. It's just absolutely screaming obvious. But it's going to fight. It's going to clean out stops. It's going to make it an ugly trip. Come on. Come on. It's going to make it an ugly trip. That 9 right there is just, oof, that 9 is punching me in the face. Come on, guys. I know where you're going, so let's just go there. I mean, I know where you're going. Get inside that 9. Come on. Get inside the 9. Get inside it. Come on. Break this top. Come on, dude. You can do it. Come on. Come on. You can do this. I have confidence in you. There we go. That's it. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. Now we're getting somewhere. Jeez, I'm crow. Now we're getting somewhere. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go up and inside that 9. Come on. Up and inside. There you go. Break that pivot to the left now. Break this one. Break this one. Come on. Break this one. Come on. Break this one. There you go. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're only a quarter. We're only a quarter of the way there. But here's the interesting part about only being a quarter of the way there. Okay. If this goes kind of the way it normally would go, then this is the battle zone. And then once it starts getting up in here, it should just start walking its way up here. This is the battle zone. The battle zone is right here. And so if we can just get up and inside this 9 and start moving, then the 9 should walk it back up to the target. Yeah, my thing cut out. My video did. So anyways, we're still here. We're still here. We're trying for our $1,000 trade. Trying for our $1,000 trade. And the positive right now is that we are on top of the 9 EMA. And we just got to start moving now. Just got to start moving. Just got to start walking our way long. Just start walking our way long. Come on. And create some pivots that I can start moving my stops up. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right. All right. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's go. Like I said, if we can get up into this zone, the trip should get smoother. This was the battle. The battle is this prior day high and this 5-minute red line holding against this 9 EMA. Well, now they've done that. So now the 9 is going to be our friend. And the question is, does the instrument have enough momentum to get us back up into here? And that's now the question. Now I'm kind of looking to my left just to see things. I mean, I'm not really seeing anything in the way. This could have been a potential little hit right here, which we did hit that and roll over because this was a shelf that went long. So when we came back up to it, no surprise, that's where a big red candle came from. So I'm looking, man, I'm telling you, if we could just walk our way up from here, my week would be over. My week would be over. My week would be over if we could rotate this up, meaning I have my money for the week. Sadly, I was in a trade in the NQ yesterday that would have done that for me, but I used it just to get my money back from my losses that I had, which was not, I was only down like $160 or something, not a lot, or maybe 150. I don't remember. It wasn't a lot. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, gold. Gold is really moving today. This is really making for a good day for gold. Come on. Come on, gold. Come on. Okay, we're in the $500, $600 range right now. I really would like these candles to start accelerating here. I really would. This is where the FOMA traders start jumping in. You know what I mean? And they're going to help me make my money because they're seeing it going up and they're going, oh my God, I got to take gold long. I got to take gold long. Come on, gold. Come on, please. Okay. 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 Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Okay, we're at 650. Come on, gold. The one thing I could see happening is a rotation down and a test of that 9 EMA. Because once we start getting so far away from it, it gets tough to keep it going. And that's going to be a test of my nerves if it does that, because we're quite a ways above it right now. Oh, this would be really nice if this would rotate up from here, because we broke through the bottom of that candle, and then if it rotates up from here, that would be really good, because they cleaned out some stops. This would be really good if we would rotate up from here. Come on, come on, come on, baby, come on. Oh my gosh, yes, this would be really nice, but it doesn't look too promising right this second. There's just no energy right now. The longs are holding and the buyers are not jumping in. So we're just sitting here. The longs are holding for the same thing I am. Oh, man. Come on. Come on, gold. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right, there you go. Come on, gold. Seriously, please, gold. Please. Please. All right. Okay. 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 Oh boy, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. I've never, by the way, I've never done a trade this big on my if we hit that target, this will be my biggest trade I've done on my YouTube channel live. This will be it if I can get to target. I've done them myself, but never videotaped them. Come on. Look at to my left. Yeah. Just we need FOMA buyers right now. We need FOMA buyers. We need chasers. All right. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. So remember what I said? I said once we get out of this zone, this part's the easier part, because now we're in no man's land, and so the sellers don't want to. The longs don't want to sell, and the buyers feel like they're missing out, and that's what pushes it up. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh. Oh, God. There it is. No. No, 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 no. Seriously, I need you to run up. One more push. Come on. One more push. One more push, please. One more push. One more push. One more push. One more push, please. Come on. One more push. One more push. Oh my gosh. Don't do this. Oh my God. It's going to hit the 9. Oh, no, 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 no. Shoot. Damn it. Yeah. Damn it. Now I'm too far into this. I'm too far vested to get out now. Yep, I'm too far vested. Come on. That took a lot of nerve to do that for me, to be honest with you, instead of taking it out at the bottom of that candle right there. Come on. Got to clip this candle right here, and I'm going to run my stop right here. Come on. Come on, gold. Come on. We need one more big push. One more big push. One more big push. Come on, guys. We all know where you're going. We all know where you're going. It's just what path are you going to take to get there? Oh boy. Good thing I don't have the camera on my face. You guys would see stress like you don't you don't want to know about. You see stress like you don't want to even know about. Come on. All right, come on. There we go. Come on. There's the push. Now let's make it a real push. There you go. There's the push. There's the push. There it is. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh. There's the push. Come on. Come on, gold. You got this. Come on. Go. There it is. Bam. Bam. Yes. Yes, sirree. Sorry about that. I had to take care of a text on my phone. Oh my God. Now see what it did is it did go to the high before it came back down. But I mean, again, it went, look at that, it went right to the high before it came down. Oh my God. The stress, the stress, the stress. Oh my God, the stress I just went through. Holy cow. I was a tick short of $1,000. So my net was, 985, I guess. Sorry, I'm breathing hard there. That was stressful, but I mean the trade was there. God dang it. The problem, and boy, they almost shook me out here. This one right here. And then that hammer candle came up. And then wow. But I mean it's just there. Look. Crossover retest, daily high, back down retest, back to the high. I mean it's rinse, wash, repeat. Rinse, wash, repeat. Rinse, wash, repeat. Oh my God. Okay. Whew. I'm done trading now. I'm done. Done. And I'm at my $1,000 for a week, and that was with me basically taking yesterday off. I did some pre-market trading, but I had to leave and go see, because I was setting a house. Wow. I had the little camera on over here in the corner, which I didn't. But if I did, you guys would have seen some facial expressions. All right. I'm done.